Hey guys, today Blush Off and I are teaming up to bring you this giveaway. I'm really excited about this one. I think you guys are really going to love it. So first we have like the ultimate Blush Off kit. So you get the starter kit, you also get the shampoo cleanser, you get a scrunchie and a Blush Off pop socket. Then you also get a Morphe lip kit, some Colourpop lashes, 2 Colourpop palettes. You get the James Charles X Morphe palette, the Maddie Ziegler X Morphe palette, the Morphe A Better World brush collection, and the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe brush collection. So if you want to enter this giveaway, make sure you check down below to see how to enter. But yeah, good luck and thanks for watching. Bye!